Pagita by my Philippines beloved. Not a rose in the world is sweeter as a full lovely bloom. In the deepest polar sea, not a rose dancing from the neck of the gentle and beautiful. How happy and fortunate thou, beautiful flower in sunset of her Manila, waits happiest. Oh, bright Sampaguita, beautiful flower, horizon heart so lightly, Sampaguita flower, friend of the garden, beloved symbol of the Sampaguita, your Sampaguita.
Okay. Salamat.
Tapos na.